There is this moment when you decide to keep going, that when nothing feels exciting anymore, you're not quitting and you're not motivated either. We're just doing. And I think this is the part most people mistake as a sign that something is wrong. We There was a time we got one of our boys a drills mat for just to improve his game of football, which I think in the States is called soccer in some other parts of the world. And the excitement of that, like, ooh, like, the footwork of like Maradona or like Messi or is it Bape or Bape that he likes? Like how they just do the dribbles and then the in, the excitement of how this mat is going to do that for him and like yes we got it and like the instruction well, first practice is doing using your left leg to hit the ball and hit it back like just doing that move and the suggestion is to like do it for 10 to 15 minutes a day for the next week. And the excitement first day, ooh, like the ball's going all the way and coming back and like, eh. Day two is like, oh, and then you're having to go all out and practice. It's like you can't do anything with just this yet. And that just kind of like, yes, I felt the same way. Like, that feeling of like, yeah, okay. I've decided I want to do this. I'm gonna like, yeah, 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 yeah. And then when you now look at the practicality of what that looks like, oh my goodness. I mean, I just have to just this, and then tomorrow that. Okay. It's like just that. I for me, it was just like, oh my gosh, like this is boring. And after a while, we just let it go. And I feel because for that bit just makes one feel like, what is the point? And then the brain, those inner chatter that's going on, is like, why are we wasting so much energy? We're not seeing the outcome. We're not seeing anything changing. What are we doing? Is what my brain's telling me. Like, what's the point? What's this thing we're doing? And it's that repetition, that doing is what's going to get us to the thing we want. But it's just kind of like, what's the point? Why am I doing this? What I found for me is I tend to use self-talk to help myself bring me back to presence. Say like, so when I'm just trying myself, like, you know what? It's okay. We're on this. It's fine. We're doing this. And it's not like I'm not doing it like a hypey or trying to bring in the excitement. Because that again can fade or whatever. It's just like having that talk. And when I want to like put a gear in or like really go for it, it's like then we go in a third person. Then we go in and like, okay, one more. Or like I just tell myself, you just got 10 minutes, just a few more, whatever. And then when I'm like speaking to myself, I call my name. Nene, you said you want this. Here we go now. We're doing this, right? What does this get to like? This is just a bit of it. Just do one more. Having those kind of like internal conversation for me, I found has just helped in helping me go further, like just keeping on going. When I am like when I was working on like just wanting to, because I always have this like inner chatter of just going, or just negativity, or like whatever. And it's having to do the thing every single day of even like what I'm grateful for, or stuff like that. Or like at the end of the day, what magic, what miracle happened? It's like, really? And what? And it's like, no, it has its purpose. I'll say to myself, we're doing this because this is how it's done. This is what gets you to where you want to get to. Having this kind of like conversation to myself to just remind myself, like sometimes I feel like it's like a drill sergeant. Like, no, we get this until we believe this. Like. So when that in that thoughts, just ignore next. Like, we're good. Let's go. What we doing? All right. Focus time. Then they bring it back. Bring it back. Put that away. Those kind of conversations to myself actually work for me. It's really helped me to like just get in with the what needs to happen to build the muscle to where it is that I want to get to. It's like pushing, like not in like in a forceful way. It's refocusing. It's like reminding. It's giving. It's bringing that vibrant of like the desire we're doing. Just one more now, one more rep. Okay, let's go. One more. Next. We don't need to know what it looks like. We just do it over time. Let's go. You said you want this. Let's do it now. It's happening. No delays. Let's go. And talking to myself, sometimes out loud, sometimes just in my head. We're just flowing. We're having those conversations, like anchored in to just support me in that going, to support me in that end result. You know, we don't know the story yet. Sometimes one of the things I'll say to myself is like, let's go. That's sort of like my exciting one. I like just imagine myself going like, let's go. Like, come on now, like, let's go. Like, to me, that's one of my anchor phrases. Like, let's go. We got this. So when you're in that mundane, messy thing, nothing is wrong. Nothing is like whatever. It's just stuff that has to happen to help us get to the point where we want to get to. So you are okay in that sense when you're having those feelings and it's all good. So these are kind of like conversations we have right here. If this is landing for you, you can join us. Like, yeah, it's all good. Then here, and just remember that your voice matters and it's your time to use it. Till tomorrow, bye for now.